What's up, YouTube? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again, and today I'm back to talk some 2023 KTM Group dirt bike rumors. Today's rumors are on price increases. If you want to hear rumors about what the bikes are going to be or spy photos, I've got tons of videos on that already on the channel. Just click the video section and start scrolling up through them, and you'll see plenty of them. So had some more information leak from across the pond on the pricing we can expect on some of these 2023 models, being that they're the two strokes at least are all new bikes. The four strokes, we kind of have an idea. That's not going to change much, but the two strokes adding throttle body injection or TBI is definitely going to change the price some, and I'm going to talk about that here in just a second. Another thing to keep in mind, KTM released a price update around the 1st of January. Price on all the KTMs went up about 6, 7, 8% across the board. It came out to around a $400 to $800 increase, depending on which model you're talking about. So although the factory editions have been released, the 2023 models themselves, the regular models, have not been released yet. That's going to happen, we think, in early May. I'm shooting for May 8th, maybe. We will see. We do not know if the price is going to jump again, or if so, how much. So that is still up in the air. But the Euro pricing for the 2023 models, let's go over that now. Set you guys right here. Yeah, there we go. You guys can see I've been shooting some videos on the 2022 KTM luggage made by Ogio. This is the Red Bull 9800. This is the KTM. This is the new Pure design. There's also a regular black and orange without the Red Bull logo. It's just got the KTM logo too. All these two are in stock, and the black and orange should be in stock anytime at AOMC, guys. So if you want to support AOMC and grab some luggage, you'd be supporting me as well. I'd appreciate it a lot. So, okay. So information on the Euro pricing of the 2023 models. And now keep in mind, guys, this doesn't correlate directly to USD. So these prices, I tell you, this is a different market. This is market, I think, maybe in Greece. And it's not going to be the same. It's like Australia or the UK or anything like that. These markets have their own prices based on taxes, but it'll kind of give you an idea. The 125 SX, 86.50 euros. The 250 SX. Now keep in mind, guys, these are both supposed to be brand new engines, electric start now with throttle body injection, but the 250 two-stroke is going to come in at 10,200 euros. And this is where we can start to correlate the pricing here, because we know the pricing in the same market for the 250 SXF is 10,100 euros. That's correct, guys. You heard me correct. The 250 two-stroke is now 100 euros more expensive than the 250 four-stroke, at least in this market. So we can say it's probably going to be about the same in the US. So you 250 two-stroke motocross guys, you can no longer say that the two-stroke, I mean, you can say it's cheaper to maintain or whatever, but it's now more expensive to buy, or at least as expensive as the four-stroke. Very interesting. Quite a jump up to the 450. The 450 SXF, 11,350 euros. So, different market. We don't know what that price comes to in USD, but we can see the correlation between these models, guys. So, if that's the case, we're looking at about $1,000 jump in the 252 stroke cost. And yeah, I know it's a redesigned motor, and I know the 252 stroke, though, I don't know. I know it's got electric start, it's got a throttle body injection. I was hoping for maybe around a $500 increase. That would have been much easier for some of these guys to swallow. $1,000 increase like that, You know, I don't know. We'll see. But either way, these next couple years are going to be great if you want to ride two strokes, because you've still got the gas option, which is really just a red SX. So if you want a carburetor, you can pick it up in 2023 as a gas. We don't know about 2024 yet. It's still up in the air. But yeah, this year you'll be able to pick up a throttle body injected electric start 252 stroke, or you can pick up a kick-started carbureted two-stroke. So you got to give it to KTM to they're giving us options, to say the least. So yeah, guys, that's all the information I have. Check out the other videos if you want to know more details on what we think is going to come on the bikes. As soon as I hear something new, you guys know I drop it the same day. As soon as I hear about it, I drop it. So thanks so much for watching. I'd appreciate it if you'd let today be the day I earn your subscription. Just hit the red button, and if you truly appreciate these videos and you want to be a little bit closer to me and be able to chat over Messenger anytime, or ask bike questions, talk moto, whatever, hit that blue join button, man. That's my race team there, and those guys mean the world to me. See you in the next video.